You guys have chosen this week's themed build, the results are in, and today we are doing an Alien Romulus themed PC. Big thank you to MSI for supporting the project. So this is the Pano 100LPZ from MSI, and with the state of the box, I thought that something was seriously going to be wrong with this case. But it just goes to show that the amount of foam that is used to actually keep this case in place and protect it in the box is very sufficient. So I'm glad that the case made it. And this is going to be now the black version. You guys will remember we did a white version. This is going to be a mod. And you guys voted on Instagram and YouTube. And it looks like we're doing an alien themed build today. Now up the top, down the bottom, and at the side, we can fit a 360mm radiator. But the case also comes with a vertical or horizontal GPU support bracket, so you can actually remove this and replace it. And the motherboard compatibility actually supports the backwards connects motherboards as well. This is such a cool motherboard. It's called the Project Zero. This is from MSI. The reason why it's called Project Zero, some of you may know, is because all of the connections are actually located on the rear, and that's why it fits in really nice with that case, because it's got the cutouts in the motherboard tray so you can access all of your connections from the back. It makes it so much easier to maintain, but also makes the whole build a lot cleaner. Now we've got DDR5 support. We've also got Gen 5 NVMe support as well. And on the rear I/O here, we've got plenty of USB, and we've also got built-in Wi-Fi 7. And let's not forget USB Type-C as well. But overall, I just love how clean the design is. Now, of course, if we're going to be putting a lot of time into a PC mod, I want to put some amazing specs in there. And so we're going all out with Intel's i9-14900K CPU. That's 24 cores, 32 threads, for a max turbo frequency of 6 GHz. Now, pairing that with the RTX 4090 from MSI, this is going to be one seriously powerful machine. Now for this particular build, we are going with the M461 1TB NVMe from MSI. It's Gen 4, so we've got plenty of speed there. 1TB to install Windows on and a few of our favorite games. And the motherboard has plenty of upgradable storage options if we want to grab a few more of these, if this gets filled up pretty quick. But I think this is going to last me quite a while. Now this is not the fastest choice of memory that we could have went for. This is the Corsair Dominator Platinums. This is a 5200 MHz kit, CL40 timing, so definitely not up the top. However, the looks is what we're going for this one, because with the LEDs on the top, we can set them to green. I think these are really gonna match the Alien theme really well, because I like that they're just primarily a clean black design, but they still have the integrated LEDs. Now our fans today are actually the EZ120s from MSI, and these are fantastic fans in the sense that they all connect together. That means one cable coming off of the fans to control power and the LEDs. Now speaking of the LEDs, each fan actually has 33 individual LEDs. There is also 3 individual zones that you can control, so you can set whatever theme you like. So for the Alien theme that we're going for, I might add a bit of green, and I don't know, we'll have to play around with it a bit to see what best suits. Now this fan can actually go all the way up to 1900 RPM with its fluid dynamic bearing. So not only is it a great performer, but it's gonna look really good as well. Now you guys will remember in the white version of this build, we actually used the MAG Core Liquid E360 white version. Now we've got the black one, so it's certainly gonna match this case a lot better, and we'll certainly put it to the test to see how well it tames the 14900K CPU. So keep an eye out for the gameplay results there. Now it does come with 3 included ARGB fans, but I'm thinking I'm gonna swap them over to the EZs because I want all of the fans throughout the build matching. Now, for our graphics card today, we are going all out with a Geforce RTX 4090 MSI Gaming X Slim graphics card. That's 24 gigabytes of GDDR6X memory. Now, I'm pretty excited about this, and I'm actually going to see if I can do some gameplay testing to see how this machine goes. But what I'm curious from you guys is, and I want you to let me know in the comments, do you think this should be mounted vertically or horizontally? Whichever you guys pick, I'll actually swap the build around to that and leave it as that, because I'm not too sure. This is the A1000G MSI power supply. It is gold rated, so 80 plus efficiency, ATX 3.0 compatible, and PCIe 5 ready. Yes, we have a dedicated 12 volt high powered header. That actually puts out 600 watts. So to power our RTX 4090 graphics card from MSI, this power supply is gonna have no troubles at handling that. Now you may notice it's a nice, clean, simple design as well. I really love that about it. It doesn't have stickers blasted all over it. Yes, it's got the MAG logo on the side there, but I think it's nice and subtle. And there we have it, guys. Please leave your comments down below, letting us know what theme you want to see next. And if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. Also, a big thank you to MSI for supporting the project, because without them, it wouldn't be possible. I'll leave all of the links in the video description to the specs of this PC if you want to check them out.